Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back by a brand new video. First and foremost, happy new year. I hope you had an amazing New Year's. We're gonna kick 2024 off with the one and only DJ BILLYBOOL. So today we're gonna make a beat in the style of DJ BILLYBOOL featuring Thaiboy Digital and bladee SOM JAG. So let's get it, man. Let's get it. This one off, I will set the BPM to 139 and I will grab a piano to start writing our chord progression. SOM JAG is in C major, so we will stay in a major scale. So let's get it, man. These are the chords we're gonna use. I will grab the bottom notes, put them one octave below. I'm just gonna put the thirds up an octave. Let's put it all one octave down. That's that classic future bass 2016 vibe. For the melody, all the melody kind of does is play this pattern over and over again, but it just switches between the notes in the chords. So this one was our third. This was the bottom note of the chord, and we kind of want to build a rhythm off of that. And here our bass notes go up, but this melody just repeats over to this pattern. The only change here is that this note plays on the E, and this is what we got so far. I will copy the notes from here and we will head into Serum. This is gonna be the easiest sound design I think I've ever done because it's just this initialized preset. All we gotta do is put the notes on there and it will sound kind of familiar. I will send it to the mixer and we'll take out some of the unnecessary lows and maybe put a soothe on it, and I will add some OTT on it because all the EDM boys are doing it. I will send it to a empty mixer track. You do that by clicking down here. On here we will just add a reverb. I will go for round. Just make sure the mix is at 100% and I'm gonna make a very short decay time, and I will increase the low cut and maybe the size. This way we add a little bit more life onto the synth, otherwise it was kind of dry. So we will clone the Serum and we will make the bass you hear. I will enable oscillator B and put oscillator A and B both to 16 unisons. I will put oscillator A one octave down. For the envelope, I will make a shape like this. Enable the filter, run oscillator A and B through it. Make sure you both select them. I will assign an envelope to the cutoff of the filter. I will put the cutoff like this, and for the envelope I will make a shape like this. For the effects, I'm gonna turn on the chorus and the EQ. For the chorus, I will just turn down the mix knob to around 20%, and for the EQ I will just raise this gain knob to maybe 3.4, and that's our bass. For the pattern of the bass, we will just follow the bottom notes of the chords. I will just copy them and paste them onto this Serum patch. We're just gonna make a rhythm like this. It will just play on every single note, and maybe we can make a small variation here. Let's put this underneath our synth and let's have a listen to this. I think it's time for the drums. And I know that SOM JAG kind of only has a kick, but we're gonna add some more, man. We're gonna add some more life to the drums, because why not? I don't have a rapper on this. We just making the beat. I will make this lead sound a little bit more interesting. I'm just gonna clone it. I will just put some unisons up. So I will just copy the pattern onto it, and let's have a listen to this. Let's add this onto it, man, just to make it a proper rave song. I think we should look for some sort of vocal. I don't know if I even have like trance vocals. Let's just try one of these, man. I don't care. Let's just put a drill vocal on it. Let's stretch it to the beat. I think we need to tune it a little bit. That kind of works, man. Let's just put it onto the mixer and we will just add a gate on it. Let's just go for this trance gate. We go proper Tiesto feeling, man. We're just gonna take out the unnecessary lows from the sample. Let's add that onto the reverb as well and put the mix to around 50%. Bro, this is a drill vocal, man. Let's just add the original vocals on it. And maybe to finish this one off, we should just clip the fucking shit out of it. DJ So I guess this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to leave a like, maybe subscribe. That is up to you. This year I want to kind of do something different. I will be uploading this beat as a remix onto my second channel. And if you want the FLP, I opened up a Patreon where you can download the FLP and check it out yourself. So you get all the sounds, you get all the presets, you get everything I make in these videos. Other than that, it's been Thomas, man. Peace out. I have no idea what this video is. I am so sorry, but I am having fun, man.